First Alert 5 weather with Mike Daniels.
The aspen are changing late this year, but we finally found some color up at the Breckenridge Ski Resort. That is just colorful Colorado at its finest right there. Windy in the spring, 78 is the current temperature. We've got partly cloudy skies. You can see that wind coming at us out of the south, sustained at 21 miles per hour. In Pueblo, lots of sunshine. 84 is your current temperature. Light breeze out of the east and relative humidity right now on the dry side, 21%. All right, your big weather story. Here's what happens around here on Friday. Big storm system to our northwest. There's the associated cold front now. Ahead of that front, we pick up a strong southwest flow. Compressional heating ahead of that thing. It'll make it another hot day for us on Friday. It's also going to be quite windy. I wouldn't be a bit surprised to see winds gusting from 35 to 40 miles per hour around here Friday afternoon. That'll certainly exacerbate fire potential. Could actually see a red flag warning on Friday because the fire danger will be real high around here. The only concern is if humidity is going to be low enough to qualify for one of those red flag warnings. There's that storm system I've been talking about. There it is, cranking up across the northwestern section of the United States. Most of the energy is going to travel north of Colorado, but just enough energy around, enough moisture that we could see a dusting of snow up above timberline late tomorrow night into early Friday morning. Here's what happens around here tomorrow by 10 to 10:30. Nothing but sunshine around here. Temperatures warming into the 70s by 10 a.m. During the afternoon, we're going to see a dry line set up out across far eastern Colorado right along the Kansas border. That'll be the focusing mechanism for some strong thunderstorms tomorrow afternoon into tomorrow evening. Still by tomorrow night after sunset, possibility of rain from the Sangres, the Wet Mountain Valley, all the way back to the San Luis Valley, the La Garita Wilderness area, and also the San Juan Mountains. Some beneficial rain across some of those areas. Wind is going to be nice and calm tomorrow morning. Enjoy that while you can. During the afternoon, here we go. Some pretty stiff wind out of the south. Gusts tomorrow anywhere from 30 to occasionally 35 miles per hour during the afternoon. Calming down around sunset here, but still strong and gusty out across the far eastern plains. Another unseasonably hot day today. Not quite as hot as the past few days thanks to a weak front that came through overnight last night. 86 in Pueblo today. That's 5 warmer than average in the Springs. We should be at 74 this time of the year, and today topping out at 81 degrees. Thankfully, those morning lows dropped down into the low 50s. Pretty comfortable early this morning. Outside right now, we've got 60s, 70s, and 80s across the viewing area. If you like your September air cool, there's the place to be right there in the Wet Mountain Valley. Westcliff right now at 65 degrees. Low temperatures tonight, crisp and cool in most areas. The air is real dry, so once that sun sets, we'll start to cool nicely. Eventually bottom out at 51 across the Springs and Pueblo. Really cool across some of those higher mountain areas. Woodland Park tonight dropping all the way down to 43 degrees. And tomorrow we get even hotter. Afternoon high temperatures with lots of sunshine early. A few afternoon clouds. 80s and 90s tomorrow afternoon. Look out for that wind across El Paso County with gusts out of the south anywhere from 30 to occasionally 35 miles per hour during the afternoon. In Colorado Springs, another hot, windy, dry day on Friday. Look out for high fire danger on Friday. Could see a red flag warning issued on Friday. Here comes that cold front. It'll be significantly cooler by Saturday, cooling into the mid-70s. That'll feel nice, but you'll have to deal with wind again on Saturday. Sunday is Mike's pick of the litter this weekend. Sunshine. The wind is going to tame down on Sunday. We're going to stay into the 70s Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday of next week. For Pueblo, just can't shake that hot, dry pattern. No rain for at least the next 7 days. Of course, the Chili Fest launches on Friday. Your TV station will be there. Elizabeth and I sampling some chili-infused food, I would hope. We'll be broadcasting live at 5 and 6. Afternoon high temperatures comfortable from the weekend into the middle part of next week, only into the 80s for a change. And for Canyon City, you get cooler air over the weekend, very comfortable air mass. Monday, first day of fall, y'all. First day of fall will be unseasonably toasty still at 83 degrees and mostly sunny skies. For Woodland Park, I've got an isolated thunderstorm in your forecast tomorrow afternoon, but don't get your hopes up for much rain. More lightning probably than appreciable rainfall. Little better chance of landing a PM thunderstorm on Saturday. A crisp weekend with highs only into the 60s. Then you're going to be dry Sunday all the way through next Wednesday. Time for traffic here on News 5. Here's what we've got for you. Drive times between Denver and the Springs. That's just a little over an hour, little under an hour right now. Colorado Springs north into Denver, and it's a fast pedal between Colorado Springs and Pueblo. Current speed is 73 miles per hour. No major accidents or delays anywhere across Colorado Springs and the Pikes Peak region right now. That's a live look, I-25 and North Academy. Guys.